In front of me is LG Wing, and let me show you how to activate TalkBack on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select accessibility, and here pick vision. Now tap on the switcher to activate TalkBack, then confirm that you are given all the needed permissions by tapping on turn on. And as you can see from now on, it is active. You can hear it, but basically all you need to know.
Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press. Vision, navigate up button, double tap to activate.
All you need to know about it is that to pick some particular option, you need to tap on it once and then double tap to select. So for example, let me open font. So click once and then double tap to open.
Font, navigate up button.
So let me go back. And if you'd like to scroll down, just use your 3 fingers and you can scroll like this. To turn TalkBack off, just open accessibility again, double tap, select the vision, click twice, and turn TalkBack off the same way, just double tap, click on turn off then, double tap, and that's it. So this is how you can use TalkBack, how you can activate this vision feature. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.